This AI tool is absolutely mind-blowing. Just look at how it brought my AI influencer to life so effortlessly. Every aspect of her movement is so realistic, and as you can see, there's no distortion of any of her features. I also created a video of a rather unconventional scene. So this is a bear that is playing the guitar. Again, you can see how realistic this looks. You can even see the reflection and all these ripples in the water. So this is really realistic. This is one of their videos of an erupting volcano, while this here is a sailboat in the ocean. As you can see, all these videos are absolutely realistic. So let's go ahead and explore this AI tool. But before we get started, kindly remember to hit that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Now let's get started. The AI tool I'm talking about is Kling AI. Now initially you could not use this AI tool without registering using a Chinese phone number. As of a few days ago, this tool was made available worldwide, so you can go ahead and register using your email address. With this tool, you get 66 free credits every single day. So they do not have a subscription plan yet, but I believe that's a feature that will be available very soon. So you can go ahead and create AI images or AI videos using this AI tool. In the gallery section, you can see all the videos and images that others have created. So let's just go ahead and look at one of these videos. Now this is a video of a man that is pouring milk into a glass. Other than the slight weirdness going on in the beginning, the rest of the video has been beautifully rendered. You can see all the details that are used to create this video, so you can click on clone and try to generate your video in the same manner. So let's go ahead and generate a video using this AI tool. So I'll just go ahead and click on AI videos. This new window will open. So now you have two options. You can go ahead and create your video from a text or from an image. In my experience, most AI video generators tend to have better results if you start from an image. But let's go ahead and test both of these options with Kling AI. So we are just going to start with the text to video option. So the first thing that you'll need to do is input our prompt. So I'm just going to input a simple prompt in the prompt box. That is a panda playing guitar by the lake. Next, we have the settings area, and first we have creativity and relevance. If you slide the bar towards creativity, you're giving the AI more freedom to be creative with your prompt. And if you go towards relevance, you're basically telling the AI to follow your prompt as strictly as possible. We also have the mode, and with this we have high performance and high quality. With high performance, you'll get your generations faster, but with high quality, it will take a bit of time, but you'll get the best results. Next is the length, and with this you can choose between 5 and 10 seconds. Next, we have the frame ratio, and with this you can choose landscape, that is 16:9. You can choose portrait, that is 9:16, and you can also choose square, that is 1:1. Next is the camera movement area, and if you want a specific motion with the camera, you can choose this from the drop-down menu. As you can see, there are a number of options that you can choose from. So for me, I'll not be choosing any camera movement. I'm just going to leave this blank. Next, you have the negative prompt section. So if there's anything you do not want to see in your video, this is where you input that. So I'm also going to leave this blank as well. Once all that has been set up, the next thing that you need to do is just go ahead and hit generate. Now this part is going to take a few minutes, and in my experience, this will take 1 to 3 minutes. So here we have our video. As you can see, it's been rendered so well. There isn't any kind of morphing as far as I can see. You can see all the beautiful reflections in the lake, as well as the tiny ripples in the water. For a video created from text, I'd say this is very well done. Next, let's try the image to video feature. So I'm just going to click on this option. So here you can choose to add an end frame by checking this button, but that feature is not yet available as of today. Next, you're going to upload the image that we want to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload one of my images. Next, we have the prompt box area. So in this prompt box, you can go ahead and explain to the AI how you want to see your character moving. And this is actually really recommended. So now I'm going to input my prompt over here. And once that is done, I'll move on to the settings area. In the settings area, you can choose between the creativity and relevance, as well as the length and mode, just like we saw in the text to video option. The camera movement option is not available in this case. You can also go ahead and input your negative prompt. Then after that, just go ahead and hit generate. So I'll just fast forward this part. So here we have our video. As you can see, our girl is walking, but the video movement is way too fast, so I probably should have clarified that in the prompt. You can also see the shadow is moving appropriately, and even her hair is blowing in the wind. Now let's go ahead and use a realistic image. So I'll upload the face of my AI model. So here it is, and I'm just going to leave the prompt box without any prompt. And next in the settings, I'm just going to leave them as they are. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and generate as it is. Again, I'll just go ahead and fast forward this part. So our video is ready. As you can see, the movement in the eyes is so beautiful and very, very realistic. So if you have an AI influencer, you should really consider using this tool to bring those images to life. Now let's go ahead and upload a full-size image. So I'm going to upload an image of the same girl seated. And in this case, I'm not going to specify any kind of movement in the prompt. So I'm just going to upload it as it is, and then I'm going to generate directly. So let's see the kind of results we get with this. So now you can see the movement of her head. You can also see how her eyes are moving. Even in the background, you can see like there's some sort of activity going on. So this looks very, very realistic. Now let's go ahead and use the same image, but this time let's go ahead and give the AI a prompt. Let's explain exactly how we want our image to move. So I'm just going to say that she's moving her hand and holding a wine glass. Again, I'll just go ahead and generate with this. So once that is done, I'll just go ahead and hit generate. Fast forward to the video, you can see how this is so beautifully done. There is no any sort of distortion in her hands or even her face. So yeah, this is absolutely mind-blowing. Now let's go ahead and create a video that is from an image we've created with Kling AI. So I'm just going to go back to the menu and I'll hit dashboard. Then once you're here, I'll just go ahead and hit AI image. In the prompt box, I'll just go ahead and input a prompt, and then you can input a reference image if you like. So I'm not going to upload any reference image in this case. Next, you can choose the aspect ratio that you want for your image. And after that, you can also go ahead and choose the number of images that you want per creation. So I'm going to choose this landscape, and next I'm going to choose the number of image. So I'll just choose 4. You can choose anywhere from 1 to 8. So I'll just go with 4. Then I'll generate with that. So here we have our images, very beautifully done. So let's go ahead and animate one of these images. For that, just go to the bottom of the image and click bring to life. So it will bring you to the video creation page. Again, you can input a prompt if you like. Then you can also do the settings just like we've been doing before. And after that, just hit generate. Now here we have our video. As you can see, the flower is being swayed by the wind in beautiful coherence. So just go ahead and try Kling AI. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your experience is with this AI tool. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.